Unlocking, shut out, dive into the meaning. Hello dear learners. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, shut out. Have you ever come across this term while reading a book, watching a movie, or just having a chat with someone? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it. So, let's get started. The phrase, shut out, can be broken down into two words. Shut, which means to close something, out, indicates the direction away from something. When combined, the literal meaning refers to the act of closing or sealing a particular entrance or passage, ensuring nothing or no one goes in or out. Imagine closing your house's main door so that no one can enter. That's a literal, shut out. While the phrase can be used literally, it's more commonly used in a figurative sense. Here are the ways. 1. Exclusion or isolation. It can describe a situation where someone feels left out of a group or activity. For example, she felt shut out from the conversation, means she felt excluded from the discussion. 2. Prevent from achieving. In sports, for instance, when one team prevents the other from scoring any points, they've shut out the other team. 3. Block or prevent. It can also mean to prevent something from happening. Like, he shut out all negative thoughts, implying he blocked or stopped negative thinking. Understanding is easier with examples. So, let's see shut out in action. 1. Literal. The manager shut out all access to the main office during the meeting. 2. Exclusion. Ever since he started hanging out with his new friends, I feel shut out. 3. Sports. The defending champions were shut out, with a final score of 3-0. 4. Block. Prevent. You need to shut out distractions if you want to focus on your studies. And there you have it. The term, shut out, is versatile and can be used in various contexts, from literal to figurative. We hope this video has illuminated the term for you, and now you can confidently use shut out in your conversations. Remember, English is an ever-evolving language, and the more phrases you know, the richer your vocabulary becomes. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.